The Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management ODPEM says more than 130 buildings across Jamaica have been damaged by recent severe weather, with around 30,000 households displaced. Director General Commander Alvin Gayle says 2 communities remain marooned, and while food drops are underway, isolated thunderstorms in northern parishes could delay relief efforts. Meanwhile, Minister of Energy, Telecommunications and Transport Daryl says both the island's international airports have reopened. Carla Ramdeen reports.
More than 130 buildings across Jamaica have sustained damage from Melissa, ranging from partial roof loss to complete collapse. Meanwhile, approximately 30,000 households have been displaced. That disclosure from newly installed Director General of the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, Commander Alvin Gayle.
Currently, some 88 shelters remain open. With just across 9 parishes, with just over 1,100 persons remaining in these shelters. While some persons have remained home, many continue to rely on the shelters as we work to restore access and provide restoration to damaged homes. I'm happy to report, however, that we are in touch with more than 90% of the shelters in Western Jamaica.
Commander Gayle says ODPEM has identified 2 communities that remain marooned, prompting targeted relief efforts. A food drop was carried out on Monday and 2 more helicopter deliveries on Tuesday.
In terms of community access, there are currently 2 communities which we have classified as marooned. To be clear, marooned communities refer only to communities that are completely cut off and solely accessible by air, where no road, be it double or single access, is available. These communities can only be reached by air. The 2 communities this morning are Petersville in Westmoreland and Duckets in St. James. The 2 maroon communities did receive drops yesterday, and I'm assured by the time I'm speaking this morning, we'll also do 2 other helicopter lifts into those communities.
Commander Gayle says more food drops are being prepared, but warns that showers across northern parishes could delay operations.
Ongoing relief operations, particularly in the northern parishes, could be hampered by intermittent showers and thunderstorms through Thursday. These showers and thunderstorms may be heavy at times. Wind impacts may also impact the relief efforts. Weather conditions are forecasted to improve significantly through the course of Friday, with fair to partly conditions expected.
Meanwhile, Minister of Energy, Telecommunications and Transport Daryl says both of the island's international airports have now reopened. Minister Vaz says the resumption of operations will allow for the arrival of overseas relief support as well as the gradual return of regular travel services. Carla Ramdeen, CVM News.